Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by reducing competing load and stabilizing your connection. First, plug into Ethernet or position closer to the router so packet loss drops. This directly cuts latency. Once done, quit browsers, cloud backups, and game clients that hog CPU and upload. Next, update Discord and your GPU drivers, then fully restart the Discord app so new drivers and updates take effect. This prevents mismatched codecs and device handoffs that often cause frame drops. Now you refine how Discord captures and encodes the screen. Prefer capturing a single application window rather than full screen. This reduces GPU work and avoids scene changes that spike encoding. Then, lower your shared resolution to 720p or 480p and cap at 30 frames per second. You'll preserve smooth motion with far less bandwidth. Also, disable in-game or browser overlays and set Discord to a higher priority in Task Manager. Finish by testing encoder paths and permissions so captures are stable. Toggle hardware acceleration in Discord settings. If it's on, try off and vice versa, because some GPUs handle Discord encoding poorly unless swapped. Run Discord as administrator to ensure exclusive access to GPU encoders. If that fails, clear the app cache and reinstall to reset corrupted settings. Finally, test screen share in a private call so you can iterate quickly. If problems persist, the main troubleshooting tip is to switch between integrated and dedicated GPU for capture to find the most compatible encoder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.